Hey guys, this is Kathy. Welcome back to my channel, Kathy's Favorite Things. You guys, I have a project share number 1 for BEEBEECRAFT. As you can remember, probably I recently did an unboxing of some beautiful things that BEEBEECRAFT sent me. This is a collaboration that I'm doing with them. This is part of a YouTube program that you can also participate in. You can just go over their website, and I'm gonna link everything below. You can get in touch with them, and they will allow you to order some things from them, and you will have to post a few videos like I'm doing now. You will do an unboxing and then 2 project shares, and you will share them with everybody on YouTube. And I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay, I received this beautiful lace. I'm gonna link my unboxing video below so you can go back to it if you missed it. I received a few things, but this is what I'm showcasing in today's video. I'm using their lace that they sent me, and let me tell you, it's beautiful. It's stunning. I used a lot of the white. This is the only piece I have left. So since that's the one that I use the most, I will show you that first, those projects, okay? So since it's Christmas time, I decided to use the lace to make some ornaments for my Christmas tree. And this is what I did. So I think the lace looks amazing here. As you can see, I used 2 different pieces because this was a big bulb, and this is how the bottom looks. You can see the end of the lace here, this lace. And I just added some bling that I had in my stash, but the lace comes from BEEBEECRAFT, and I think it's just stunning. This looks amazing on my Christmas tree. I already have it hanging there. And it would also make a beautiful gift if you make this for a loved one, I think. And as you can see, it has bling also on the top, but the lace is just amazing. See? Beautiful. And you can actually use any color you want, any color. I just wanted to use the white because it was gonna pop up more maybe, but I will try also in different colors in the future. So this is one of the ornaments, and I'm gonna put it here so you can see, maybe this way, that way. Okay, and I have a couple more of the ornaments. These are smaller ones, and here you can see I didn't glue this part here down. I left it open like that so you could see the lace, the whole lace here. You can see it better, and it also has a lot of bling. But the lace from BEEBEECRAFT, look how beautiful it is. Amazing. See, so I think that if you order some of the lace, that's one of the uses that you can give it to, it's just beautiful. And this is the other one. So I made 2 little ones and the big one that I just showed you. And I think they're all beautiful. I like the little ones, but I also like the big one. I don't know which one is your favorite, you guys. Super cute. So if you want to order from BEEBEECRAFT and you do not have a YouTube channel and you cannot be part of the YouTube program, you can just place an order from their website, and it's www.beebeecraft.com. And I have a coupon code, Kathy5, so you can use my coupon code to place your order, and you will get $5 off of 40, you guys. So if you want to take advantage of that, I'm gonna put all that information below in the description comment box. Now I'm gonna show you another project that I made also using the BEEBEECRAFT lace. Okay, and let me just move this to the side here. And for the project that I'm gonna show you now, I used this lace here, and also a pom-pom trim that they sent me. So I'm gonna start with the one with the pom-pom trim also. So this is what I made. It's a little book that I'm gonna send to a crafty friend with some goodies inside. So this book is made out of paper. It's actually made out of envelopes that I ordered from a website online. And this is how I use the lace. This is BEEBEECRAFT lace here at the top, and this is the pom-pom trim that they sent me. This is on the back, and this is also on the back. Okay, so now we're gonna flip through this so you can see where I used the pom-pom trim and the lace. So more pom-pom trim here on this first page. This is just a pocket that I have here. Here you can see there's another piece of lace and more pom-pom trim. And this is like a fall decor. More lace here. This is the ivory color. And this is another pocket here. More of the pom-pom trim. And this is a pocket here also, and this is a pocket here. More pom-pom trim on this side. Another pocket here. Another pocket, and this is the lace from BEEBEECRAFT, the ivory lace. See how beautiful that is? Look at that. Oh my goodness, it's stunning. I just love it. I think it gives the perfect touch to this little book that I made. And more of the pom-pom trim they sent me. Again, another pocket here. You can put, you know, stickers or whatever to send to your crafty friend. Here, more pom-pom trim. And this is also a pocket here. And more pom-pom trim. Another pocket here. And this is another pocket, and this is their lace. There you go. There. So that's one of the books that I made, and I have another one. Let me show you this one. Let me move that to this side over there. And this is the other one. This way. And this is their lace, the pink one, this one. And as you can see, this is the back. You can see the lace here, and this is also the same lace. Okay, so here, let's flip through this quickly so you can take a look. Okay, so this is the pocket here. Over here, the pocket is on the side. It opens like that. And this is their lace. And this is another pocket. And there is a pocket here. More lace. This one here. Another pocket, another pocket. This is another pocket here that closes and opens up like that. And that's their lace. And this is the other piece of the lace. Another pocket here. And in here there is another pocket. Another pocket here. And this is the last one. And this one has a lot of lace. So it has this pocket here that opens, and I already put stuff in there. And also this piece here. So I think it turned out super cute. So those are the ways that I used BEEBEECRAFT lace. I think it looks stunning. That's the back, that's the front. And as you can see, the lace looks amazing on these little books. You can use them on junk journals, and you will be seeing the lace also on some junk journals that I will be showing you soon. But in this video, I'm just gonna showcase these projects here, and I hope you guys like them. Don't forget to go check out their website. Again, it's www.beebecraft.com. Use coupon code Kathy5 for $5 off of 40 when you place an order online, okay? And if you are interested in the YouTube program, make sure you go check out their website, and all the information is going to be provided down below for you, okay? So thank you so much, BEEBEECRAFT, for letting me participate in this program, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.